Well, I've changed the sender unit and it seems to be registering there now. So at least we know it's got oil pressure. Didn't know if that's reading right, like it probably isn't, but I didn't think they ever did. Right, we'll have these exhausts on. I've freed all the nuts off and put a bit of oil on everything, so it should go alright. It's one washer gone. It's a good job I've got long arms. Some of these you can get with a socket, others you cannot. You've got to use a spanner. It's a pain in the arse. Right, see if I can get a pipe on. Right, that's one pipe on. Just start putting the other one on now. Just make sure we can get the pipe in there. Might have to have a bit wiggle. Right. Rest of the nuts on the pipe. Right, we'll give them a final nip from the bottom with a socket. Where are we going to now? Carbs or radiator? Carbs, I think, yeah. Get them on. Right, we'll see if we can get these in. try and get this choke pipe started while they're still floating about. That's it, I think. Right. Just turn it around for a while. So I can get my hand in. Everything's easy on a Jaguar. Right, that's the bottom one on the back. Right, I'll leave the bottom ones off the front because there's a bracket got to go on and it gets in the way. So we'll tighten the bottom back ones up. Right, spring bracket. That one. The return spring bracket guns on the front car. One nut to go. Got you. Got you. Right, let's open bottom one tight. Oh, we. Right. Oh, thank God for that. Right, tighten this choke pipe up before we forget. Right, just the springs, the linkage, throttle pipe to couple up. Now then, one of the springs is a get lengthy. That linkage has got to go on. put a diesel first. Right. What's that? It's a washer and a split pin. There's the split pin. Don't know where the washer's gone. Oh, I think it's gone in. Yes. Little sod. Right. Throttle linkage. Well, I think I've got everything attached there. All the return springs is on, petrol pipes is on, petrol drains is on. Vacuum pipe on the manifold, temperature wire. Don't think there's out else. We'll soon see when we start it up. Right. Radiator next. Lovely. Is there any easy jobs on these? Well, that's the radiator on, the cowl and everything's on. Bottom hose. I've just got the alternator that going on. And the washer bottle, I think's the last item. So we'll plot on. Oh, the coil's got the gun on. Well, that's it, apart from the alternator and everything's on. Washer bottle back in. Coil on. Carbs, I can't think anything I haven't done. There's only the interior to do. But the state I am at the minute, I don't think I'll be going in there. So, we'll do that tomorrow and have a start up.